Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.2 question number 2. Express the following as mixed fractions. A 20 by 3, B 11 by 5, C 17 by 7, D 28 by 5, E 19 by 6 and F 35 by 9. Let us first express question number A. It is 20 by 3. Question number A is 20 by 3. You have to express the following as mixed fraction. It is 20 by 3. You see denominator is greater than numerator, therefore it is an improper fraction, right? That means if you have to divide 20 by 3. Divide 20 by 3. What you are getting? 3, 6, 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. How to express? We have to express in this way, that is quotient. Quotient remainder by divisor. Right? Therefore here the quotient is 6, remainder is 2, and divisor is 3. 6 whole 2 by 3. This is a mixed fraction of 20 by 3. Now question number B. Question number B is 11 by 5. 11 by 5. That means you have to divide 11. You have to divide 11 by 5. That is 5 to the 10. 5 to the 10. 11 minus 1. 11 minus 10, that is 1. That is 2 whole is equal to 2 whole 1 by 5. Right? Now question number C is 17 by 7. Question number C is 17 by 7. That means we have to divide 17 by 7. We will divide 17 by 7. Right? We are dividing this number by 7. Therefore we are getting 7 2 is 14. 7 minus 4, that is 3. Therefore we are getting quotient as 2, and remainder as 3, and divisor as 7. 2 whole 3 by 7. Right? We have solved question number C. Now we'll solve question number D. We'll solve question number D. Let us solve question number D. Question number D is question number D, that is 28 by 5. That is 28 by 5. 28 divided by 5. That means we have to divide 28 by 5. We divide 28 by 5. Then what we are getting? 5 5 is 25. 25. 5 6 and 8 3. Right? Therefore, it will represent 28 by 5 can represent as 5 is as quotient, 3 as remainder, and 5 as divisor. Right? Now question number E. Question number E is 16 by 9. Question number E is 19 by 6 is 19 by 6. That means we have to divide 19. We have to divide 19 by 6. This is 18. 19 minus 18 is 1. Therefore, we represent here quotient as 3, remainder as 1, and divisor as 6. Right? Now question number F. Question number F is 35 by 9. 35 by 9. That means you have to divide 35 by 9. 3 9 is 27. 27. 7 8 15. Right? Therefore, we represent it here as quotient is 3, remainder is 8, and divisor is 9. Right? Right. This is the solution of question number 2. Here the question number was express the following as mixed fraction. Here you see that means you have to divide the numerator by denominator, right? And we got the solution of question number 2. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.